aka Xavier by a friend nickname. He was in the last video with us. Now, this video. Same thing like usual. Heroes Battleground combos. On the dummy 1, 2. Bam, one lesson. 1, 2, 3. Triple dagger true. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1000 slashes. Let's go. Curling pierce, curling pierce. Yep, it's a double time move. Do it twice. Make sure to combo with it. Because comboing, best thing you could feel. As a small content creator, I don't even think about much views, but honestly, if I do that, I might start a part-time business here on YouTube. And guys, help me get to 100k. All you have to do is go down there and click the subscribe button. It's not that hard. It's very easy. I know all my content is mostly about Heroes Battleground, fun games. Not that fun. Shout out to Heroes Battleground for sponsoring me. So guys, if you know me by now, let's get right into more combos. This is combo 1. So first you are going to use 1000 slashes, then into black clutch, blackout clutch, into triple dagger true, and then curling pierce. Let me show you it. So first I'm gonna kill the dummy quick with M1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Guys, look at my kill emote. Oh man, no jackpot. So first, you do 1000 slashes. Dash. Behind it. 1, 2, 3. Then that. Black cloth. You go on 4 now. Then into 1000. I messed up. Coloring pierce. Use it 2 times since it's a 2-time move. Then for all mobile players, combo is the same thing. But guys, next video give me idea. So first thing is either rivals or strongest battlegrounds. Choose one, guys. You get to choose. Hero Battleground, strongest battlegrounds, or Brookhaven, Boston orders. Like Roblox, now go and do it.
Becoming a parent, becoming a doctor, eliminate your bonds, and the next.
Ineffable aura. Guys, I have aura. Don't go down and chat saying, oh wait, you have no aura. Bro, buns. You must have no aura for that. Okay guys, you know what? Enough rules. Let's go straight into a different game. Oh man, I'm lagging. Should we play? Yeah. I am Xavier, by the way. Shout out to Xavier. Don't mention this term saying how I gave him a shout out. If you mention this term, I'm gonna make up. So guys, we're not going to do Brookhaven. After this game is Brookhaven. Nanny guys. Sorry. Don't go and comment cringe. Do not say cringe in chat. Do not say it. If you say it, guys, turn in. Yeah, help. Hey guys. Guys, I have a perfect idea.
Okay, thank you. Oh my god. Almonds, letting her go solo on
Guys,
that.
earthquake.
She's ready. She just needs to breathe. I am breathing. I am a living, breathing.
Guys, Sasha Fisher.
Now, sometimes you don't even know anything's changed. You think you're still you and your life is still your life. But you wake up one day and look around and you don't recognize anything. Not anything at all. Hey, do you have any cash? I lost the headset to my phone.
Guys,
How about you hold the phone up to your ear?
guys.
So late.
You know?
I would have talked so loud. Maybe if you had your heart every time you want.
Guys,
We're all making compromises.
you know something that I have?
Look at Alien. It's gonna be a very cute alien. A boy alien or girl? Dude, is it kind of thing or not?
I destroyed the map.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm new at this and I'm not very good, so why don't we go upstairs to there's a
Nah.
upstairs
Guys, I'm not that evil. Comment evil in chat.
GCS 15 since regaining consciousness. You got high low light up to the linebackers drop like a rock.
Get X-ray in here for a trauma series.
Give me a CT.
Go.
No, I'm just painting evidence of the
Get an X-ray of the left knee with the trauma series. Yeah, I saw that hit. That was a bad hit. I knew it the minute I saw it, and before it hit the ground, that was bad.
Hey guys, all the best in our boy.
Dr. Shepherd.
I can't. A little tough I've been working.
Hey, we'll come and find you the second we know what's going on. Don't get into too much.
I'm going to take care of that. Could you tell someone about me?
No, that's a bad idea.
You're making her feel like crap. She said you wouldn't be alone in a room with her.
No,
But why do I have to chaperone the ultrasound?
because there's something wrong with the baby. See right there on the left side? Yeah, on his other ankle too. Wait, it's a boy? I haven't gotten that far. Oh, sorry. Congratulations. There's a lot of swelling on the right foot. It's very constricted. What the hell are you talking about?
He's got strands of amniotic tissue wrapped around his legs. They're called amniotic.
There's a danger of them compromising one of his limbs.
So what? His legs is gonna like fall off?
Well, that's the worst case scenario.
He's gonna have steps.
I don't know what we're dealing with yet. Whatever it is, take care of
I
it.
can't have a stumpy baby. Can't you fix it?
I don't know.
I have an idea. How about we don't answer any patient questions with the phrase, I don't know. We're gonna fix it. Let's get it with you.
Yeah.
You're done.
Corrupted nature.
I adore you. She can never right. Mike's worse than the left.
Guys, feel like feel like I'll go and get banned, but guys, if you guys know me, don't tell me what to do. Guys, question. If anyone says 6-7 in chat, anyone who says 6-7, I'll go and comment on each of every comment that says 6-7. Saying hi. saying hi. How you doing? Are you good? Are you solid?
This is not my area.
He should play basketball with Dave.
What is she doing with their friends?
She thinks I'm a little baby.
Anywhere with me.
Okay, come on. It's fine. She's lonely. Hey, he needs a transfusion. That splenic black is bleeding more than I thought.
Alright, we'll take a look at CTs and come up with a game plan. All set. You know Dave from oncology? Single.
You want me to start a conversation about my personal life, would you?
Bad idea. See, it's
Bad idea. Hi, Ruthie. This is Dr. Yang. She did perform your surgery today. She's the best of the best.
Oh, good. I am so glad to meet you. I have a couple things I want to discuss. Is that kind of
of course.
I have allergies. I know they write them in the chart, but I find that if you don't tell everyone, it gets lost in the shuffle. Aspirin, ibuprofen, bananas, zucchini, all forms of squash. And pumpkin is a squash, right? Other people forget that. Latex, dust mites. I asked the nurse with the red hair for a new pillow, and I would also love to get a new nurse because I think the redhead just got that old pillow with a new case, and it's making it sneezy. And I was also getting a mechanical valve, but I'm thinking about the clicking noise. They say the mechanical valve makes. I mean, that would be irritating, right? I think that might just make you nuts.
I'm sorry, but midterm valve is a whole different procedure.
Yes, but I think the pig is a better idea. The pig valve. It's organic. I mean, they say they're very clean. All that business about, oh, you're such a pig, right? That's just bad marketing. And this blanket says it's not. I'm not saying it's not clean. It's like a chemical of some kind. It's chafing and it's causing it. Can you see my rash?
As the legs continue to grow, the bands will cut off his circulation. If we wait, we risk severe damage to the left leg, possible loss of the right entirely. But if we operate 22 weeks, it's still risky.
If you don't operate, you're not going to kill the baby. We can rehabilitate the remaining part of his leg after he's born, and we can get him with prosthesis. It's entirely possible to walk. Oh my God.
Got options here. If we operate, Dr. Montgomery, remove the bands will be just fine. Or
Guys.
stronger, and the surgery's less risky.
Guys.
Well, what kind of do you sleep with? Oh, not me. You told her.
Guys.
She's my kid, everybody.
She's not
What
pregnant.
do you mean?
Children.
I'm still getting the hang of it.
You know? I'm
So
going
you're
after
sure that
this
they
lady.
didn't, like, knock you up and leave you with a child to raise on your own or something? You're not just, like, really pissed and you're trying to get revenge?
No. It was a long time ago. Okay. The fact is, Mark,
Yeah?
your father is a good guy, and I take care of your kid, and I can do everything I can.
Yeah?